भानी देवी गोयल सरस्वती विनोडर कॉलेज झांसी से के तिवारी फिजिक्स क्लास 11 चैप्टर नंबर 15 इलास्टिसिटी। जिस टॉपिक के बारे में डिस्कसिंग करने जा रहे हैं वो व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम पॉसिबल लेंथ ऑफ द वायर ऑन दैट इट मे नॉट ब्रेक ड्यू टू इट्स ओवन वेट। सॉल्यूशन नंबर ए, इन ऑर्डर टू डिटरमाइन the elongation in length of the entire wire, we can assume that the weight of the wire is acting at center of gravity of the wire. In this condition, weight produced act tension only Ly2 length of the wire. Therefore, delta L is equal mg into Ly2 upon Ay is equal Al rho into Gl upon Ay into 2 is equal rho Gl square बटे 2y। B point, stress developed at point P is produced due to weight of section PQ of the rod, assuming delta H is negligible. Length of section PQ will be L minus X and its mass will be m बटे L into L minus X. Therefore, stress of point at point P is equal weight of section PQ upon A. Stress m upon A बट ऊपर इंटू L minus X into G upon A बराबर mg upon A into कोष्टक के अंदर 1 minus X upon L. Value of X will be different at different point. Therefore, at point Q, X is equal L. Therefore, stress 0 minimum. At point O, X बराबर L. X बराबर L. Stress mg upon A बराबर A L rho G upon A बराबर L rho G maximum. C point, if the wire does not break, in that case maximum stress will be equal to breaking stress. Therefore, L max rho G is equal breaking stress. इसलिए L max बराबर breaking stress बटे rho G. नोट्स, कुछ स्पेशल पॉइंट। पहला पॉइंट है द वैल्यू ऑफ L max depend on material of the wire, not on the wire thickness. Second point, if another body of mass m is also suspended from this wire, then the total elongation in the length of the wire delta L is equal mg into Ly2 upon Ay plus mgl बटे Ay is equal small m plus कैपिटल M y2 कोष्टक के अंदर into gl बटे Ay। इसके बाद अगला जो टॉपिक है वो है इलास्टिक इफेक्ट। कैपिटल ए पॉइंट, यह इलास्टिक आफ्टर इफेक्ट से क्या समझते हो। इसके लिए इलास्टिक ऑब्जेक्ट रिगेन देयर ओरिजिनल शेप आफ्टर रिमूव्ड ऑफ डिफॉर्मिंग फोर्स acting after removed of deforming force acting on the object. However, it is seen that some of them take same time to regain therefore original shapes, while some of them regain instantly. Thus, the delay in regaining original shape and size by an elastic body after removal of deforming force is called after effect. This effect is negligible in quartz and phosphorus branch, whereas it is maximum in lead. This is the reason that we use quartz or phosphor branch wire for suspended coil in galvanometer. B. Elastic fatigue. A person tires when he does work continuously. After taking a short break, he starts doing work with the same capacity. This effect can also be observed in elastic substances. When a deforming force is repeatedly applied and removed on an elastic body, then its elasticity decreases temporarily. This property is known as elastic fatigue. After resting for a while, the body regains same elasticity. For example, if a wire is vibrating for a long time, then its vibrations die after some time. Elastic fatigue. After relaxing for a while, the wire starts vibrating in same manner for a long time. थैंक यू. इससे आगे कल आपसे डिस्कशन किया जाएगा.